We have incredible amount of colorful fishes here, so it is always a very beautiful experience to dive. Then, on your left-hand side, you are looking already at the first pond of the salt twinning area. And look at that beautiful color. As more pink the ponds get, as more salty the water is. And the whole south of the island is actually used to produce salt. So, we have two inlets at the southern part of the island, and by the force of the wave, the water is coming in. And look here how they harvest the salt. Because after the salty water comes into those different pots, the windmills are pumping up the salt in all those so-called running pumps. And then when the water is very salty up here, we pump it here in the crystallizing pumps. And here the water stays, and look here, till nearly all the water is evaporated. And so then the rest of the water, they leave it into these channels, and then they can harvest the salt. Till the moment they harvest the salt, only natural forces are involved. Then the first time when they need those big daggers, diesel is used. And then you see those salt mountains. In the back you see the darker salt. That salt gets washed in the washing installation, and then they bring in with these green staggers on top of those beautiful hills. And you see the transport belt over the road to the tower at your right hand side. And then regularly in the months, big ships from America are coming to pick up the salt. And it is actually Cargill who is exploding the salt here in this area. We produce more than 500,000 tons of salt a year. So that is a tremendous amount. And because that salt is so pure, most of it is used in chemical processes. But also in the magma pools, in the swimming pools where they take magnesium and salt together. So the whole process from the moment the water gets into those ponds till we can harvest the salt takes between 12 till 14 months, depending a little bit how much rain we have. And so this is a very extended area, and when you are hanging above and look at that area, then you see all the different colors of those ponds. And then you have the blue from the sea next to it, which is so beautiful. Yeah. Here I can give you a little impression how it looks from above. Yeah. That is the most southern part of the island. And where the water is green, that is actually the water who is coming out of the water, the washing installation. And then the water goes back into the sea. At the back here, you cannot see it good at the moment because the flamingos are spread out. But here we have the flamingo sanctuary. That is the area where the flamingos lay their eggs and breed it.